Hello everyone, welcome to Commodity Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price had given an upward trend line breakout along with key support at $2,318 level on downside, tested the first key resistance base at $2,368 level, accompanied by witnessing clear positive signal through MACD waiting to motivate the price to resume upward till $2,400 and $2,450 level in upcoming trading session efficiently. MCX gold price is moving in sideways consolidation range along with price taking trendline support above 72,000 level, resume its positive trading to breach 72,650 barrier, which support the continuation of the bullish trend for an upward target of 73,100 and 73,600 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 71,850 level and break below will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.